Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Twyla and I have my summer FabFitFun box. We're gonna unbox and see what I got. I will link all the important information about the FabFitFun boxes down below so that we don't have to go into all the spiel about it. Because I'm guessing if you're searching this video, you already know what it is. Here's my catalog. Who's on the front? Gabby Douglas. Wasn't she that gold, that gymnastics girl? Gold. That girl is on fire. So my husband bought me an annual subscription for Christmas. So I got to select the things. They sent me out an email that said, hey, selection is open. You can customize your box if you want. So here's some coupons that they put in there. I'm not gonna put those out because we don't care about that. But here's the things that are in my box, which we can't really see, and it is humid outside. I'm sorry this is a mess. My hair is a mess because it is humid as heck outside. Is that on my screen? No, that's just a dog hair. So it says this month's box total value could have been from $225.50 up to $477, depending on what you got in your box. And not that you can tell, but they have all these things that were selections for this month. And so I'm going to tell you what I could have got, and then I'm going to tell you what I selected. And if I can get the pictures, I'll put them up here. If not, I'll try and edit this part out, or it'll just be funny because I couldn't do it. So all members got a chance to customize their box. So you got to select from the Draper James straw bag with floral scarf valued at $75, or a Pottery Barn ceramic diffuser in Solstice for $59, or a Yumi Kim wireless charging pad valued at $35, the Lashes MD eyelash conditioner at $69.95. Wow. The Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt triple peptide eye cream valued at $82, or the L Space tie-dye towel valued at $58. I chose the L Space tie-dye towel at $58, and it is 68 inches long by 30 inches wide. Did I want a towel? No, but here's the thing. None of that other stuff really interested me. I don't need a straw bag. I don't need a wireless charger. The lash conditioner didn't interest me. The diffuser didn't interest me. Although I could have used the eye cream. I actually got this because I think my daughter will like it. But $58 for like a swim towel, right? For summertime. $58. Feeling this isn't anything special. What's it made from? 100% cotton, made in India. It doesn't say anything special about it. It just says it's boho chic. This is the tie-dye towel. Got the little fringes on the bottom. But the tie-dye doesn't go all the way through to the other side, so I don't know. Anyway, cute. Then the next set of customization that you could have selected, for all members could have selected, is the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet valued at $78, a Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag valued at $59, an Isaac Mizrahi blue and white kimono valued at $59, a shampoo and conditional Art & Co. Television Perfect hair set valued at $64, or the HydroPeptide Moisture Reset Face Oil valued at $120. And that's what I got, was the HydroPeptide Moisture Resist Phytonutrient Facial Oil. That's what I selected. And it is in this, oh, look at the shine. I don't know if you can see that. And let's see if it has, it says $120. There's the oil. Made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract. And it's in pink, shiny pink and white. And I cannot read the white on the back of that. That's really hard for me to read. But I do enjoy face oils. avocado and pumpkin oils, flower extracts, and rice bran extract. 3 to 5 drops and gentle sweeping and patting motions to apply AM and PM. Helps protect skin from environmental stressors and free radicals. Pure plant oils plus rice bran. Okay, so $120. This is a full ounce. Amazing miracle oil, maybe. I don't know. For $120, we're going to see. So the third thing that you could select from is a Giving Keys mini necklace, a Kula Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen, or a Kula Mineral Face Matte Finish Cucumber Sunscreen, some Tom's Sydney sunglasses, valued at $58, a black peel-off mask and hydrogel eye mask set, valued at $59, Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, valued at $65, or the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler, valued at $23. And I selected the Giving Keys little mini key necklace, valued at $45. It just says, inspire yourself to believe with a delicate little necklace. So it's valued at $45, and this is how it comes. I just, these things interest me so much when they come on a card like that and they're valued at $45. I mean, you go to JCPenney's and you buy a $45 necklace or ring, and it's gonna come in a little box. I don't know if they do this to save packaging or what have you, but it looks like see these little rings here, so you can make it shorter than it really is, but it looks to be a fairly short chain. It's got a Losper clasp, which is quite nice, but it is just a very tiny little, pulling up my face. Nice little key necklace. I'll put that on. There you go. Right there. Very cute. Very sweet. Okay. $45. Now, the next thing was select members only. So for select members, which like the annual subscribers, they could select from this. So the first selection was either a Terra Mare Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, valued at $54. A Zoe Isla Ice Roller, valued at $30, or the Silked Satin Pillow Sleeve, valued at $29.50. And I selected the Silk Satin Pillow Sleeve. Now the brand is Silked, so this is 100% satin charmeuse, so it's not pure silk. Satin is like a fiber weave. Satin can be made with silk, but it's also made with things like cotton or polyester or anything like that. So this says polyester charmeuse. So it's still, but here's the front. This is the satin part, and this is the not satin part, right? So your pillow, this just slips over your pillow. It's not a case. I don't know how this is going to stay on my pillow, but it's supposed to be good. I don't know. We'll see. I'd have rather had a silk pillowcase because the silk helps with temperature control, and I don't think satin does. And I act like I know what I'm talking about, and I really don't. But I'm excited to have a little satin pillow cover. So, and then the next thing that you could choose from is either the Isaac Mizrahi Loves Exo Sienna Vase, or the Amica Brick Style Bombshell Blowout Spray, $25. Or the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum, valued at $25. Or the Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist Aloe Mint and Lavender Mixture, valued at $42. I chose the Beach Mist, the Lifestyle Botanical After Sun Spray, valued at $42. And this is it. It smells nice. Kind of smells like linens. But I see something else down in here that this was the Dr. Brandt eye cream. This is the eye cream, but I got the towel. Did they accidentally throw in the eye cream? Because I selected the towel. This is $82. The Triple Peptide Eye Cream from Dr. Brandt. Nice. The next couple of things were Fab Fit Fun picks. So, I don't know. There's 3 things in here. They could have sent you the Riddle Oil Original Roll-On perfume valued at $50. They could have sent you the Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator valued at $20. They could have sent you the Murad Essential C Cleanser valued at $40. The Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, a 6-pack for $25. I love those. I would have liked to have had those. But what I ended up getting, what they sent to me, was the Kylie Cosmetics Foot Cream with Menthol and Tarocco. Menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet, valued at $24. It smells a little citrusy. I don't know. Foot cream? Oh, Sicilian blood oranges. That's why it smells like citrus. It's foot cream. I don't know what to say about it. It's foot cream, you guys. Nothing exciting there. And the Spongellé Coconut Verbena Shea Butter Macadamia Seed Oil and Argan Oil hand cream. I don't mind hand cream, but I think it's $18. So I think these are easy way out for them to throw things in. I think these are cheap ways for them to throw things in a box. Hand cream, foot cream, not what I signed up for. So I'm not excited about that. And then the last thing was the Winky Luxe Uni-Brow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Universal, so this is for anybody. Here is the box, Winky Luxe. And I was gonna say what color it is, but it's universal. So it looks like it comes with a spoolie on one end. Oh, and a triangle shaped brow pencil on the other end. So excited to try that out. I do like the Cosmetics Universal one. So we'll have to see if the Winky Luxe Universal pencil is any better. Rounding up, Winky Luxe Eyebrow Pencil, $16. The Fit Cream, the Spongellé Hand Cream, the Dr. Brandt D.N.A Triple Peptide Eye Cream, the After Sun Beach Mist, the HydroPeptide Moisture Resist Face Oil, the Silked Satin Pillow Sleeve, and the L-Spaced Tie-Dye Towel. And that total value is, so the value of my box, for the things that I chose, was $352.50. But with this D.N.A eye cream at $82, it's $434.50. And these are $49.99 every quarter. You get a discount if you buy an annual subscription, which my husband did. So I think this is a really great value. Mind you, I'm not jazzed about these, about a hand cream and a foot cream. And you might, and that's great if you got this box and you are happy to get in a FabFitFun a hand cream and a foot cream. I would think like a hand cream or a foot cream in like the Ipsy bag maybe. But I get it. They're easy to throw in there when they're trying to do something, but they've got so many choices. That's just what makes it, I think, probably exciting for everybody. They had skincare, they had home care, they had sunglasses, they had vases, they had hair care. So there was a lot. There was a cooler bag in here. There was a kimono. There was a passport wallet, a purse. So there's so many things that as an annual member you could have chosen from if you had decided to. So I think it makes for a very fun box. I don't, for when they pick things out for you, I got to look at my profile because I would have rather received the eye masks. I mean, that was something they could have sent, was the eye mask. I would have loved to have received the cleanser or even the roll-on perfume. But foot cream and hand cream is not something that I consider. I mean, the perfume was $50 and the cleanser was $40. This is $24 and $18. So I think these are cheaper options for them to throw in depending on what the value of your bag is when they're picking the things out for you. So that was my FabFitFun for summer 2020. Do let me know if you get a FabFitFun, what you thought of your box. And everyone have a wonderful day. Have a very safe day. Be well. Stay safe out there. It's tough times we're going through right now. There's a lot going on in the United States and in the world with everything. So, and I'm not talking on just the coronavirus. I'm talking on political levels and what's happening in the news and how people are affected. So just be safe. And it's tough, I know, but if you can figure out what it is, focus on the good and the happy in your lives to help. I wish you many blessings. Come back and see me again.